It's day 13 that India is undergoing a massive unlocking exercise, amid which the number of coronavirus cases are also soaring. Today, India has crossed the 3 lakh mark in the number of coronavirus infections in the country. Now, amid all of this, let's take a look at Kerala and how it is. It was once one of the states that had the highest number of cases. In fact, in India, the coronavirus infections began here, but then it quickly brought it under control. However, now with the incoming passengers to the state, the cases are steadily rising. So, here's a look at how Kerala is dealing with the situation going forward. Kerala has now revised its guidelines for passengers coming into the state. The quarantine rules have changed. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has said that anybody entering the state has to mandatorily undergo home quarantine for a period of at least 14 days. Institutional quarantine will only be done in cases where their homes are not adequate enough to isolate. So, local authorities are going to identify whether places of these passengers are adequate for quarantining. If not, then these passengers will have to undergo government institutional quarantine. It is required that everybody undergoes quarantine in the state because of most of the cases, bulk of the cases that are being reported in Kerala now are coming from people who are arriving at the state, especially from abroad. Kerala has also started a massive online learning exercise. These virtual classes have been started because it's clear now that schools are not going to reopen until July end. So the Education Ministry in the state has begun these virtual classes. For the economically weaker sections, children who belong to families who do not have access to smartphones, for them, these online classes are also going to be held at Anganwadi centers and libraries across the state where these children can come and sit for the online classes. However, the question about accessibility to this kind of learning is still being addressed. There are many people who oppose online learning because they say that not everybody has access to it. Kerala also has lifted a few restrictions on film and television shooting. For film shooting, indoor shooting is allowed with a maximum of 50 people, and meanwhile, they have to follow strict hygiene rules. And for TV shoots, a maximum of up to 25 people are allowed. Apart from all of these, Kerala has, of course, it is following the MHA guidelines on the phase 5 of the lockdown, or the first phase of unlocking, and it has begun reopening malls and shops and restaurants, etc. Apart from that, worship places, of course, are reopening, but Sabarimala Temple, an important pilgrimage site in the state of Kerala, that is not going to open its portals for the monthly prayers this time, keeping in mind the COVID-19 situation. Sabarimala attracts a throng of crowds on a daily basis. So for now, the temple board has decided to keep its doors shut and review its decision going forward depending on how the COVID-19 situation in the state pans out. These were all the updates from the state of Kerala. Thanks for watching.